I have here my JBL Everest 710GA wireless headphones. I want to show you today how to pair this to your smartphone or also here to your tablet. And so in this example I'm going to use here this iPhone, and at first I'm going to go here on my phone to the settings menu, and in there I'm going to look for the Bluetooth settings. And I'm going to make sure that I enable Bluetooth. And then here you already see here a couple of items here in this list that I have previously paired. And then here on the bottom, that's where we're going to look for these new headphones to show up in a second. So now what I have to do here at the headphones is I'm going to turn them on. And the very first time I'm going to pair these headphones, the headphones are going to go into the pairing mode by themselves. So you can tell by this blue LED, when this is blinking, then it's going to go into this pairing mode, and here on the phone you can see the headphones you selected, and it's going to automatically connect now. And at this point we can start playing our music here. So this is it for the first time here. So now the next time that you're going to turn on your headphones, then you don't have to go through this process again. So the next time when you turn them on, it is actually going to connect right away, as long as the smartphone still has Bluetooth enabled. Let me demonstrate this here. So you see right now the headphones are turned off, and as soon as I turn them on, give it a couple of seconds, then it's going to connect to the smartphone without you having to do anything. Okay, so and now just in case you're having trouble with connecting the headphones to your smartphone or tablet, then there is a way to force the headphones into this pairing mode, and you have to look for this one Bluetooth button here on the bottom of the headphones. This is here the one right next to the auxiliary port. It has here this Bluetooth icon on it, and you're just going to push this shortly, just briefly, and then you're going to hear this jingle here. And then here you can see here by the blue LED blinking also that this is now in pairing mode, and you can most likely find this now on your smartphone, so you can connect to it. Okay, so yeah, this is already it. In case you have any questions, leave a comment below, and otherwise don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones, and also like and subscribe.